Alright, I just pulled up to the service call and nobody's home, so I'm going to check out the outdoor unit before I go in. I have an old Goodman. And these units actually ran for a very long time. People talk bad about Goodman in the early days, but there's still a bunch of these old ones out there. So I'm not going to badmouth them for at all. Alright, so I got her opened up, and as you can see from the top of that capacitor, that's probably what's wrong with it. But she's got another issue. That's a drain line from the water heater off the P&T valve. So it's definitely leaking. So had to tell her about that. Well, breathe a little life into the thing. Change the capacitor and on the way to the next. Nobody's home. I just jumped out inside the furnace. Definitely going to replace that TNT valve. Alright, so before I leave, the most important thing to do is to change the filter.